If you are someone who's looking to start a blog, you are going to have to find your niche. Among other things, like, are you passionate about the subject? Is there enough topics to talk about on that subject? Another thing I highly recommend is utilizing Google Trends. So you can see, you just go to trends.google.com, and let's think here. Let's try healthy eating. You want to start a blog and you're going to share healthy eating recipes, all the tips, tricks, all the things. So the first thing you're going to want to do is see if that topic is even trending and worth putting your time into, because if people aren't searching the topic, there's no point in writing about it because you're not going to be seen. Okay, so we're going to want to switch this to the past 12 months. So you can see how the last year went. And you can see here that it's pretty high up and consistently trending throughout the year. So healthy eating would be a great topic. Now let's think of another topic. Say you're obsessed with, I don't know, we'll do a holiday like Easter. You're going to only blog about Easter. You can see that this probably wouldn't be a good topic because it's very low engagement. Of course, then it spikes in March and April and then comes back down again. So there's like only a 2-month mark. So yeah, let's see. Let's try another one. Fitness routines. This is another one that, okay, it goes up and down, but there's lots of spikes. This is a good one too. I mean, there's some lows like June, but this is also a good one to do. So you're going to want to do your research on your niche before you jump in your blog, but Google Trends is a great way to check that out, and I highly recommend doing it. All right, that's it.